Huh? What?
Welcome to Space Alien Makeup Artist, hosted by your fave extraterrestrial, me. I'm Jane, for those of you who are new. Today, I'm going to be doing sparkly makeup on my brother. Welcome, Shlunk. Well, looks like he's as camera ready as he'll ever be, I guess. Okay, so let's get started. Step 1, face mask. We gotta prep the face before we put makeup on it, you know? La 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 la, la 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 la. Voila! Step 2, glitter. So I want to start with a base of fine glitter so he will be shiny all over. Step 3, lashes. I started getting really good at applying stick-on lashes. I mean, obviously no one needs stick-on lashes, but like, why not? If we're going all out, let's go all out. Step 5, lipstick. Anyway, the last step and best of all is lipstick. And today I picked an awesome shade of neon yellow because if we're gonna go all out, let's go in. If we go all out, let's go in. Yeah, sure. And that's how space aliens do makeup on our Shlunk.
What? Wait, I feel weird. Is there a bird on my eyelids?
Alright, Earthlings. Subscribe for more fun space alien makeup videos and turn on that bell thingy so you know when I post a new episode.
Okay, bye.